This is section 2.2, question number 19. The directions say, guess the value of the limit, if it exists, by evaluating the function at the given numbers correct to 6 decimal places. In this example, I'm only choosing to do 4 of the given numbers. You can do the rest on your own. Okay, so the function that we are asked about is, the situation is with the limit x approaches 3 of the function x squared minus 3x divided by x squared minus 9. And in this particular situation, we are asked to guess the value of the limit given some values. One of the values that we're given is x equals 3.01. So when I plug in x is equal to 3.01 into each of these situations, I'll do the first one. I get 3.01 squared minus 3 times 3.01 all divided by 3.01 squared minus 9. And I put that in my calculator and I simplified it to 6 decimal places and I got 0.500832. Okay? So I did exactly the same thing for x is equal to 2.99. I plugged x is equal to 2.99 into the calculator for this function, and I got, when I did that, 0.499165. I also chose to do for 3.0001, and when I plugged in 3.0001, I got 0.500001. And I also chose to do it for 2.9999. And when I plugged it in for 2.9999, I got 0.499992. So, one of the things I want to point out here is we are given these values 3.01, 2.99, 3.0001, 2.9999. All of these values are somewhat close to 3. And that's the idea. We are trying to guess the limit of what's happening at 3, and we're doing that by choosing values that are relatively close to 3 itself. And when I do that with something quite close, I got 0.5 with some digits, and then when I do 2.99, which is relatively close, I get 0.499, and 3.0001, which is a little bit closer than 3.01, I get 0.5 with more zeros and then a 1. So my guess is that for this situation, the limit as x approaches 3 of that function, that is equal to 1/2 or 0.5. If you have any questions, please send me an email or feel free to stop by my office hours.